Hello, everyone. We're going to be showing today how Pliant can work with Slack, receive messages from Slack, and then display, essentially, make changes to AWS, display status, and all these things. So basically, user input managed through a Pliant workflow. So to get started, we're going to jump in, and we're going to look at what VPCs we have configured right now. So I can say list VPC. And that shows me I currently have one VPC. I can also say list subnets, and that's going to show me all the subnets currently associated with this VPC. Now, what I want to do is create a new VPC. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. So create VPC, and I need to pass the CIDR segment. So 172, let's say 42, 0.0/16. So we did that, and this created us a new VPC as well as a new subnet. If I now say list VPC, I will get two VPCs. And if I say list subnet, I will see the new subnet in this list as well. Now, a few minutes later, maybe I decided this wasn't such a good idea. I really need to get rid of this new VPC. Well, in order to do that inside AWS, first I need to delete the subnet. So here is my subnet. I see it right here. And I take the subnet ID. So I can copy it and say delete subnet. Paste this guy in here, and basically the subnet is now deleted. We can verify that quick. We can say list subnet, and yeah, it's no longer in that list. Now we also need to delete the VPC. So let's go ahead and list our VPCs. Here it is. I take his ID, copy it, and I say delete the VPC. We copy that VPC ID in here, and now if we say list VPC, boom, he's gone. So that's basically it. This shows quickly how using a Pliant workflow, we can do integration. We can have multiple messages from Slack affect, work through the workflow inside Pliant and do work in AWS in this example. Now, all of this took actually a fairly simple flow. If we take a look at this workflow, it is not that long at all. You can see that it is about 10 screens, and I'm actually pretty zoomed in right now. So if we look at this kind of zoom in, we only have about 8 screens worth of code. And obviously this is not dense code. This is just blocks, which was pretty straightforward to assemble and gives us quite a bit of power. So with this being said, thank you for your time and attention, and I hope we speak soon.